Hello, welcome to my channel. I am TFC, the Forex Chef. Today I'm looking at Apple stock. Disclaimer: this video is mainly for educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor, so anything you see here, make sure you do your own research from your own end and ensure you make informed decision. So Apple remains one of the strongest company globally with massive ecosystem. Apple is well known, especially in my country, Nigeria. Apple is well known. A lot of people use their products one way or the other, and its service segments like Apple Store, iCloud subscription, so all those things generate revenue for Apple, and people continue to do it. They continue to subscribe, and it's part of its revenue. But now Apple is currently trading at on steady move, not too fast, not too volatile. So now you should expect, when you're trading Apple now, you should expect just steady move, and this means return will also be steady rather than being explosive, being very high in what you get as return. So this is current state of Apple, and with that, let's dive straight into the technical aspects of it. Let's see what the technical aspect holds. So from daily time frame, let's look at the daily time frame. As you can see on daily time frame, Apple is on bullish movement. Very clear, the market is on bullish trend. So let's come back to 4 hours time frame. It's still clear on bullish trend. Let's look at where Apple is currently trading. So back to daily time frame. Let's mark out the trend and the zone. Here we go. Enough. And that's the trend. Let's mark the zone. So this is the support. Yeah. And the previous resistance doesn't really matter though, but let me mark it. The previous resistance zone. Okay, good. So let's go to 1 hour and let's check H4. Looking pretty good. And 1 hour time frame. Yeah. If you can see, this is I'm using another device entirely, so I've not edited the color. So let me edit the zone. So I'm editing the zone view. So the zone is clear now. So this is where we are working with. We can see this is clearly bullish indicator. Let me use the word like that. This is strongly showing us that Apple is definitely going to the trend is going to be bullish, but due to steady movements, it's not, but it's pretty much bullish trend. It's pretty much bullish trend. We can see the pattern. So this is inverse. We can call this inverse head and shoulder pattern, or quite W pattern. Let me show you. This is so this is the left shoulder. This is left shoulder, this left shoulder, and then head. This is the head. So this is the head. This is the head. We've drawn left shoulder and then we've done the head. So let's go to the right shoulder. So this is the right shoulder. So now we have inverse head and shoulder pattern. If it is bearish market, it will be head and shoulder pattern. But since it's bearish or bullish market, we're anticipating for bullish trend. So this pattern now is inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a confluence for bullish markets, bullish trend. In this market, I will have analyzed this day before today, yesterday, but I didn't have the time. I was quite busy, so I analyzed on my own when the market was still somewhere around. If you can see where I'm pointing, this place, it was still on the zone yesterday. Yeah, but I didn't have time to record. But it's not too late now. It's not too late. You can stay open. So we are targeting to the previous resistance zone, and if Apple can do more, we test there and go up. So let's see the clearer picture on 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, let's adjust. This is it. So this is our inverse head and shoulder. Now we are expecting Apple to change the pattern and move in bullish trend. So this is for education purpose. Make informed decision, risk what you can afford to lose, and trade wise. And also, if you are a forex trader, the broker I recommend is Xness. I use Xness. And if you are buying stock, you are trading, you are buying shares, you want to trade stock, I recommend Truth. I use Truth for shares, to buy shares, and Carrywise. In fact, officially, I don't want to announce that now. You can use Carrywise for shares and savings. In fact, yes, that is very true. For every profit you make, you must save for rainy days. Save for rainy days. So use Carrywise to save, and this is not a paid. I'm just recommendation based on what I use. Use Carrywise to save, and you can use it for stock also, and Truth for stock. Truth, CROVE, and then Xness for Forex if you are a trader. And if you want to register, I want to use the brokers, their link will be in the description in my bio. So check there, check for the link and register with my link and start trading. Best of luck. See you at the top. And reminder, this is for educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. Trade responsibly. See you at the top. Peace.